First thing you want to do is rinse the tires. Rinse the wheel well. The wheel well's real good. Okay, got my undress. You guys can pick that up. I'll keep this. It's a little wet down here. Degreaser in it as well. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get the face on the tire. Okay. Since this one the dirtiest part of the vehicle. So you can see the products. Lug nuts. Pretty well. Okay. Yeah. Okay, like that. Double check. Right about that. So now let's go ahead and get the tire. And these tires aren't too bad either, so I wish they were dirty or something to show you guys. Okay. This sponge, I can get it better. Get the face of the rim better. Get behind. Can go. Yeah, it can't fit everywhere. Okay. And I'll go ahead and face up one more time. This is the most dirtiest part. It's very dirty, you guys, so that's why I'm hitting it more than once. get BJ Premium work. All right, let's go ahead and rinse it off. There we go. Pick this up. There we go. And I'll probably hit the tire one more time, but I just want to show you guys real quick before my storage run out of my phone. Even though it's wet, you can already tell the huge difference. So, like I said, that's what I want to clean up, all that brake dust. And yeah, I know it's wet, but hey, we got the job done. So anywhere I wipe, I got all the brake dust. So, and then I'm gonna clean it up even better once I'm done. So yeah, there we go. So go ahead and stay tuned, and yeah, we're gonna get after. So I'm gonna go ahead and get something so you guys can see the whole video of me washing the car. So let's go ahead and stop the video right here, and I will resume here in a few.